Okay, so this used to be a Red Lobster. It's like a back to a seat. That's the bracket that held all those pictures. There's the little kitchen, some windows. But this was all booth, and there was walls here. There was a wall right here, a wall there. There was walls all through here. We tore them all up. There was booths all the way around. We got to tear all the ceiling out. All the ceilings coming out. All this paneling, all the flooring, all this electrical coming into the floor, all the fucking kitchen, the tile, all the stainless steel shit, knocking all of it out. Getting rid of all those plates and dishes. All that is garbage. All of it. All the little pans. Anything that says save, saving. So that's a save. But there's like just all kinds of shit. Bun coffee makers. And that one's being saved. There's a dishwasher. Fire extinguisher. Dishes and shit. Yep, but that's what we're doing. There's an ice machine. I think they're gonna keep that and take it to the shop. How you doing?
I'm good.